Imagine a world covered in snow and ice. The sun shines, but the air is frigid. This is the world of polar bears, penguins, and many other amazing creatures. These animals thrive in places where most couldn't survive for even a day. These animals are not just visitors to this frozen world, they are permanent residents. They have special adaptations that allow them to not only survive, but to thrive in these harsh conditions. Their stories are fascinating examples of resilience and the power of nature. Let's explore how these incredible animals brave the extreme cold. Animals in cold climates have special features that help them stay warm. These adaptations are crucial for their survival in some of the harshest environments on Earth. Think of a polar bear's thick fur coat. This fur is not just for show, it serves a vital purpose. This coat traps a layer of warm air close to the bear's body, acting like a natural insulator. The outer layer of fur is oily and water repellent, which helps keep the bear dry and warm even when swimming in icy waters. Underneath that fur, polar bears have a thick layer of fat called blubber. This blubber can be several inches thick and is essential for their survival. This blubber acts like an extra blanket, keeping the bear's internal temperature stable even in the most frigid conditions. It also serves as an energy reserve during times when food is scarce. Many animals, like Arctic foxes and snowshoe hares, change their coat color with the seasons. This color change is a form of camouflage that helps them avoid predators and hunt more effectively. In winter, they sport a white coat for camouflage in the snow, blending seamlessly into their snowy surroundings, and in summer, they change to a browner coat to blend in with the rocks and plants. This seasonal adaptation is crucial for their survival, as it helps them remain hidden from predators year-round. These physical adaptations are essential for their survival in a world where temperatures can plummet far below freezing. From the thick fur and blubber of polar bears to the color-changing coats of Arctic foxes and snowshoe hares, these animals are built to thrive in the cold. Their ability to adapt to such extreme conditions is a testament to the incredible resilience and ingenuity of nature. Beyond fur and blubber, some animals have developed unique behaviors to cope with the cold. For instance, many species will huddle together to share body heat, while others will burrow into the snow to create insulated shelters. Migration and hibernation are other strategies used by animals to survive the winter months. Birds often migrate to warmer climates, while some mammals enter a state of hibernation, slowing their metabolism to conserve energy. These diverse strategies highlight the incredible adaptability of wildlife. Each species has evolved its own unique methods to endure the cold, ensuring that life continues even in the most challenging environments. When the cold winds blow, many animals huddle together for warmth. Penguins are masters of this strategy. They gather in large groups, taking turns rotating from the chilly outer edges to the warmer center. This constant movement ensures that no one penguin gets too cold for too long. This behavior, known as huddling, is a powerful example of teamwork in the animal kingdom. Musk oxen form a protective circle around their young, shielding them from the biting wind and potential predators. These social behaviors demonstrate the strength of unity in the face of adversity. For some animals, the best way to survive the extreme cold is to avoid it altogether. The winter months can be incredibly harsh, with temperatures plummeting and food becoming scarce. They do this by entering a state of dormancy called hibernation. Hibernation is not just a long sleep, it is a complex physiological process that allows animals to conserve energy. During hibernation, animals like groundhogs and certain species of squirrels drastically slow down their metabolism. This metabolic slowdown is crucial for their survival, as it reduces the need for food and water. Their heart rate and breathing slow down and their body temperature drops, conserving precious energy. This state of reduced physiological activity allows them to endure the cold months without expending much energy. They survive on stored fat reserves, sleeping soundly through the harshest months of winter. These fat reserves are accumulated during the warmer months when food is abundant. Hibernation is a remarkable adaptation that allows these animals to ride out the winter in a state of suspended animation, emerging when the weather becomes more favorable. As spring approaches, the animals gradually wake up, their metabolic rates increase, and they return to their active lives. This incredible survival strategy showcases the resilience and adaptability of wildlife in the face of nature's challenges. Section 5. Journeys to warmer lands. Not all animals hibernate or have special adaptations to withstand freezing temperatures. Some animals, like many bird species, choose to migrate to warmer regions when winter approaches. These incredible journeys can cover thousands of miles, taking the animals to more hospitable climates where food is abundant and temperatures are milder. These migrations are a testament to the incredible navigational abilities of these animals and their instinct to survive. They demonstrate the interconnectedness of our planet, as animals rely on different ecosystems throughout the year. Section 6. The wonders of freeze tolerance. Some animals have developed truly astonishing adaptations to survive being frozen solid. The wood frog, for example, can withstand having up to 65% of its body water freezing solid. They produce a special substance that prevents ice crystals from forming inside their cells, protecting their vital organs from damage. When temperatures rise, the wood frog thaws out and resumes its activities as if nothing happened. This incredible ability, known as freeze tolerance, is a testament to the remarkable diversity and resilience of life on Earth. Section 7. Supercooling, a cool trick. Another fascinating adaptation is supercooling. Certain insects, fish, and reptiles lower their body temperature below freezing without actually freezing solid. They achieve this by removing ice nucleating agents from their bodily fluids. These agents normally promote the formation of ice crystals. By removing them, these animals can chill their bodies below the freezing point without turning into ice. This delicate balancing act allows them to survive brief periods of extreme cold, showcasing the ingenuity of nature in finding solutions to seemingly insurmountable challenges. Section 8. The threat of climate change. Climate change poses a significant threat to the survival of animals in cold climates. The polar regions, home to a diverse array of wildlife, are particularly vulnerable. As temperatures rise globally, polar ice caps melt at an alarming rate, shrinking the hunting grounds of polar bears. These majestic creatures depend on sea ice to hunt seals, their primary food source. Without sufficient ice, their ability to find food diminishes, leading to starvation and decreased reproduction rates, and endangering the habitats of countless other species. Walruses, for instance, rely on ice floes to rest between feeding sessions. As the ice disappears, they are forced to swim longer distances, exhausting themselves and reducing their chances of survival. The timing of seasons is also changing, disrupting the delicate balance of migration patterns and hibernation cycles. Birds that migrate to the Arctic for breeding may arrive to find that the conditions are no longer suitable for raising their young. Animals that rely on seasonal cues for breeding and feeding are facing unprecedented challenges. Caribou, for example, migrate vast distances to find food and give birth. Changes in the timing of plant growth can leave them without the necessary resources to sustain their herds. The consequences of climate change are far-reaching and pose a direct threat to the delicate web of life in these fragile ecosystems. The interconnectedness of species means that the loss or decline of one can have cascading effects on others, ultimately threatening the entire ecosystem. It is imperative that we take action to mitigate climate change and protect these vulnerable habitats for future generations. Section 9. Lending a helping paw. We have a responsibility to protect these incredible creatures and their habitats. By reducing our carbon footprint, we can help slow down the rate of climate change and its devastating effects on these animals. Supporting organizations involved in conservation efforts is crucial. These organizations work tirelessly to protect endangered species, preserve habitats, and raise awareness about the importance of conservation. Education is key. By learning about these animals and the challenges they face, we can inspire others to care and take action. Section 10. Champions of the cold. The animals that thrive in extreme cold are true champions of survival. Their remarkable adaptations, from thick fur coats to freeze tolerance, are a testament to the power of nature and the incredible diversity of life on Earth. Their stories inspire awe and remind us of the importance of protecting our planet and all its inhabitants. As we marvel at their resilience, let us also remember our role in ensuring their survival for generations to come.